good thing he keeps putting his hand in there. Alright, Brandon, inside. Inside. Alright. Inside. Inside the cup. There we go. There's your fingers. Come on. Inside. Very good. Very good. I'm going to have some success. Pull them out. Pull them out. Pull them out. Grab onto it. Come on. You can do it. You got it, Brandon. Pull that arm out. Yay!
Good job, Brandon.
And he holding on to it. Good job.
Good job.
Good. Took them all out.
Good job.